Hey everyone, welcome back to our HTML course. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to organize text on a web page using headings and paragraphs. This is one of the most important skills because it makes your content clear, structured, and easy to read. And by the end of this video, you will know how to use H1 through H6 tags for different levels of headings. You will also learn how to write text with the p tag and why these tags improve readability and structure. Let's start with the headings. What are headings? Well, headings are like titles and subtitles on your web page. They go from H1, which is H1 is the largest. They go from H1, which is the largest and most important, down to H6, the smallest. Okay, so H1 is the most important one. H2 follows after H1, and you keep going until H6. The H1 is usually the main heading of your page. And this is a very good tip. You need to only use H1 one time per page. It's like the book title. Then you need to use H2, H3, and others for sections and subsections. Well, let's practice a little bit. Let's practice together. You will open the index.html file you made in lesson 1. And below your existing content, you're going to add H2 and you will say a heading, and this heading will have to say about me. Under it, write a few sentences about yourself using the p tag. This will help you to see how headings and paragraphs work together to structure your content. All right? So let's go ahead and start. So I will ask you to go ahead and open your Visual Studio Code. And do you remember how we open our files? Yes, of course. This is what we do. We go to Open Folder, and then we go to Documents. Our folder is called Index. It is called HTML course. Open that folder, and you will see the file index.html. This is the file we want to modify. All right. So we will go ahead and do the exact thing that I asked you guys to do. All right. So remember, we said hello world. I am learning how to code with variable x. Okay. And then what should we do next? This is what we are going to do next. We will go ahead and create an H2. Okay. H2. We close. And remember, when you open, you have to close the tag. Okay. H1, H2, open and close. And then we will say this subheading is about me. Okay. We save. And then after that, we will go ahead and check how it looks like. Okay. So this is how you check. Again, you go to your Finder, you go to where your folder is, you open the document, and you can see now we have an H2. This is an H1 and this is an H2. And this is, of course, our paragraph. All right. So after that, we will go ahead and do another thing. All right. So under the about me, let's go and write a paragraph about ourselves. So about ourselves, we're gonna say, hello, my name is Jonathan. Jonathan. I love to eat fufu, and sometimes fufu, I don't even know how to spell fufu. I don't know if it's F-U-F-U or F-O-U-F-O-U. But let's go with F-U-F-U. Sometimes fufu doesn't like to be my friend. Friend. Mostly at night. Another thing about me is that I love computers. Okay, we save it. Remember to save it's to, you can go to file and save. So command S, okay, command S in if you're using a Mac. So I'll go ahead and say command S and I'm saving. Now you can see it's gone. All right. So we already said who we are, and this is the title about me. So we can go ahead and refresh now. Refresh the page, and it will say, "Hello, my name is Jonathan. I love to eat fufu. Sometimes fufu doesn't like to be my friend, mostly at night." And I will tell you why at night. Another thing about me is that I love computers. Okay, so we are done. Now, for your homework, this is what I want you to do. Okay, for your homework, I want you to create a brand new page. And on this page, you are going to give it a name called my-story.html. All right? This is what is going to be your homework. When you're done, save it and open it in your browser, just like how we're doing this. And it's gonna allow you to understand where you made a mistake. All right? Well, that's it for this lesson on headings and paragraphs. In the next video, we will dive even more into understanding what ways we can structure our web page. It's really important, guys. It's really important to understand this part because it's going to help you to make sure your page, whatever website or whatever page you're writing, is clean and neat. And once you're done, it's going to be very, very helpful. All right, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends if it's really important to you, and if you learned something new. Let's do this. If you learned something new today, so make sure you like, share with friends, subscribe on this channel, and then for more lessons, I will see you next time.